From Black history and Indigenous history in the U.S. and beyond, there is a ripe opportunity for us to look at parts of our collective history that are seeking to be acknowledged. Traumas, shared traumas, collective memories. And when we do this, we're able to bring presence and love to experience transformation. Not only am I excited to bring a message to you on Sunday, April 30th at Unity of Gainesville, but we'll also go even deeper with a workshop afterwards that I invite you to join. I look forward to seeing you there. I'll be sharing music and message for the Sunday service at 11 a.m. I believe the workshop is at 12:30 p.m.